Thinking about how you can save money? This is for you. I went from not knowing where my money was going to saving thousands of dollars, and now I'm going to spend it on vacation. This is all thanks to planning my budget and using a spreadsheet. Here's how I did it. First, I update my spreadsheet with any new income. For instance, let's add a payment from the 29th. Next, I record every recurring bill. I log each grocery store visit. We shop once a week, and I only pay 2/3 of the bill because my husband's brother covers the other third. I do the same for a power bill, dividing and adjusting as needed. Then I update my variable expenses. I review bank and credit card statements to track every expense. For June, we did pretty well. I also check the yearly tab to spot any trends. Hiding the empty month columns makes it super easy to see. I also forecast expenses for the coming month. For example, grocery shopping is adjusted to the 2nd instead of the 5th because I know we are not going grocery shopping on the 5th. I am also anticipating a higher power and water bills in July because of summer. I added our HOA because we do have to pay HOA for the month of July. I also updated my Spotify. I spend about 15 minutes twice a month doing this. By organizing, tracking, and analyzing my expenses, I was able to save thousands of dollars. They are going towards vacation. Want to know exactly where your money is going and save even more money? Start a spreadsheet, organize and track your expenses, and then tell me how did that go. I promise you, you are going to see a huge difference once you actually see the numbers. So let me know in the comments if you're in.